Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix the file is too large for the destination file system issue in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let me show you by going to this PC. Say I have a USB pen drive inserted on my Windows computer. As you can see, this is a USB pen drive. So it's almost free, you can see. So I don't have any file inside it. So let me drag one file or any image files. So I'll just try to copy. So you will see this kind of error. The file Windows is too large for the destination file system, but the size of the respective file is just 5.42 GB, but I have enough space to copy this file. So you can see I have 28.8 GB, but still I'm getting such error. So how we can fix such issue? So for this, just right click on your respective drive and just go to the properties. So under the properties, you can see here it's written the file system is FAT32. So in case of FAT32, it does not allow the large size files to get copied on your respective drives. So this is the main problem. If your USB pen drive or external hard disk drives is formatted with the FAT32 system, then this kind of error will be shown to you while you are copying a very large files like the 5 GB, 6 GB or more than that. So what you need to do is you need to format this respective drives by selecting the under the file system. You need to select the anti-FS and you need to click on start. But if you have a file inside your USB pen drive which is formatted in the FAT32, I'll highly recommend you to do a backup or copy to your respective other drives so that your important data does not get erased. Since we are going to format now, after that you can just follow this step, select the anti-FS under the file system and just click on start, click on OK, wait for a few seconds. So finally we have formatted with the system of anti-FS. So let us go back to this PC and just firstly we'll check its properties. Now you can see it is in the anti-FS format. So let us try to copy the same file again, whether we can able to copy it or not. So I'm just dragging it here. Voila, it's copying. So you can see it's starting copying. So we'll wait a few more seconds whether it's proceeded or not. So finally you can see it's starting to copy. So this is how you can fix the file is too large for the destination file system issue in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.